Happy New Year. I wish you settled 2026. There's an important aspect of mathematics I want us to look at, called the Pythagoras theorem. It's a theorem that is very important in mathematics. It is used to solve problems in mathematics. So you need to have a grip of this theorem to enable you solve a lot of problems in mathematics. And Pythagoras theorem is a theorem. The name was given after the propounder of the theorem, Pythagoras, and that is why it is Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem, it only works in a right angle triangle. We have types of triangle. We have the obtuse triangle, we have the reflex angle, we have all those angles. But where Pythagoras theorem works is in the right angle triangle. Outside a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem will not work. So take note, Pythagoras theorem only works in a right angle triangle. So now let us look at this case. This is a Pythagoras triangle and this is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is this. This is where the two lines meet at right angle, 90 degrees. This thing shows that it is 90 degrees. These two lines are the vertical line and this meet at this point at 90 degrees. That is, it is a right angle triangle. And this is the longest side of a right angle triangle. And now we label the angle ABC. It is angle A, B, and C. So the side opposite A is denoted as small a. The side opposite B is denoted as small b. The side opposite C is denoted as small c. So now, what is this theorem all about? If you are given two sides, say A, side B, and side C, without an included angle, you are asked to look for side A. You are going to say A squared is equals to B squared minus C squared plus C squared. So to look for A is equals to square root. Removing this index, which is 2 here, you square root this other side. Square root means 2. So it becomes square root of B squared plus C squared. So this formula is very important if you are solving problems in mathematics. When two sides of a right angle is given and you are asked to look for the longer side of the right angle triangle, you apply this, and this is a Pythagoras theorem. If you are given this side and this side, and you are asked to look for this side of the right angle triangle, you now be B squared is equals to A squared minus C squared. To remove this index 2, become B is equals to the square root of A squared minus C squared. Now, to also get this other side, if you are given A, this side, the longest side, and this side, you are asked to look for this side. Because C squared is equals to A squared minus B squared. So to remove the index 2, becomes C is equals to the square root of A squared minus B squared. So this is Pythagoras theorem. It is very important theorem. You need to take note. It is very important. It is used in mathematics to solve problems in a right angle triangle. So when Pythagoras theorem only works in a right angle triangle. So in our next lesson, we are going to use this Pythagoras theorem to solve problems. Thank you as you watch me here.